Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased technical analysis. Now yesterday guys, I gave you guys a bull case scenario and a bear case scenario. And the bull case scenario was that SPY was in breakout mode, and for the next day SPY had to hold 378, which was the breakout level, and cleared that 380 level. And look at that, intraday it did exactly that. It did exactly what the bear case scenario, it played out perfectly. This was not a prediction, this was just technical analysis, unbiased technical analysis. Okay guys, let's go. All right, now let's get to the daily chart. Okay, above 380 I was targeting a couple of levels, the 382 level, 384 and 386. 386 was based on the 50-day moving average. Okay, now the SPY went as high as 385.25. You know, it came 75 cents short of my price target. I hate when it does that, but hey, I'm not Miss Cleo, I can't see the future. And you know, a move from 378 breakout or breakout of 380 all the way up to 385.25, that's a decent move. That's like about $5 to $7 move. Okay, if you're trading options, should have been able to catch some decent percentage gains there. All right, if you trade it unbiasedly, of course. Now, looking at the 15-minute chart, you can see at the end of the day we had this big drop. I think there's some companies reporting earnings. Microsoft, I think, is one, and maybe Google. I need to double check. But this just goes to show you why Uncle Charles does not swing trade, because you know, with all this bad fundamentals in the bear market, earnings and stuff, you just don't know what's gonna happen. That's why I'd rather just stick to day trading. You guys can see that I cleared 380. I had another level 382, cleared 384, I had another level there, and got very close to my 386 level. Okay, so I like day trading. It's so much simpler. All right, but you know, with this big drop, can it continue into tomorrow? So if you're a bear, here is the bearish case scenario. We cleared that 380 level. That's a 38.2 retracement level. Very critical level. If the bears want to take back control and end this bull rally, they need to break down that 380 level. Okay? If 380 fails, good time to get bearish. Okay, guys? Good time to get bearish. Now, the trend line from August high, the support of it for tomorrow is now at 376. If it falls below 376, that's also a false breakout of that multi-month trend line. Okay, false breakouts are very bearish. Okay, so if 380 fails, false breakout puts 376 in play. 376 fails, that's another false breakout, very bearish. Look for puts, and that would put the next critical level at 371. Oh, is that 371? Okay, still at 370. Multi-month trend line is still at 371. Okay, so below 380, false breakout of the 38.2 retracement level. Below 376, false breakout of the multi-month trend line. Below 371, false breakout of the multi-year trend line from September 20 to October 20 to the June low. Okay, June of 2022. All right, play the setups, guys. It's all about the setups. Now, if the SPY decides to cool down a bit and it decides to pull back, that 380 level must hold on any back test. As long as 380 holds with 376 lowest, you know, when we break out like this, it is healthy to see a pullback, and especially back testing the breakout levels as support. And if it holds, bulls still have a shot. Okay, the next critical level that I'm watching, resistant level, is that 386 level, the 50-day moving average. Okay, if you look here, you look there, it says the 50-day moving average is at 386. Okay, that's what TradingView is showing me. If that clears, the 50% retracement level at 390 is in play. Okay, above 386, 390 is next. Bull case scenario is the bulls are still in control as long as 380 and 376 hold. If those critical support levels fails, that is your cue to get bearish and play the false breakout setups. It's all about the setups, guys. Know the levels, know the setups, and just trade it unbiasedly. All right, moving on to triple Q. Look at that. So beautiful. Last Friday, we broke out this trend line. Yesterday showed follow through. Today showed even more follow through. It went as high as 284.6. Remember, I had the 38.2 retracement level at 284.8-ish. You know, few cents shy of my target. All right, that is the 38.2 retracement level. Triple Q is falling a good amount, a bit. It's falling a bit in after hours because of the earnings. All right, so the next critical support right now that I'm watching is that 279.5-ish level. If that fails, we could possibly see more down target 277 and that critical level at 273. 273 fails, I think the relief rally is over and we could drop down to 269.4-ish. Below 269.4 is a false breakout of this multi-month trend line. And that's a sign to get bearish, okay? Remember, critical support fails. That's the best time to go short. Look for puts, okay? Breakouts of resistance, that's the best time to look for calls or go long. All right, so it needs to clear 284.8 to trigger more upside. Put in 287.6s and 290-ish in play and maybe even 294, 295 zone. Okay? But remember the support levels, all right? Moving on to Tesla. Tesla recaptured and was able to clear that 213 line. I said to you guys, if it clears 213, that's bullish. All right, cleared 218.5-ish and went as high as 224.35. Few cents shy of my 225 price target. I hate when it does that. So the big level that it cleared today was 218.5. If that fails, false breakout 216, 213, 211, 208, and then 206.8-ish back in play. Okay, 218.5-ish must hold, and I need to see it clear. We'll recapture 222, 225. If it cleared 225, that would put upside targets in play at 230 and possibly even 237-ish. All right, guys, let's end this with the option flow. Why am I at triple Q right now? I'm going to go to the SPY, filter for 500K premiums or above. 63% in the puts, okay? So yesterday was looking bullish. Today it's looking bearish, but nothing really sticks out to my eyes, okay? Moving on to triple Q. Yep, 56% in the puts. Nothing really sticks out, but overall, going back to bears. Let's see if Tesla can show us anything. Nothing much, but 61% into calls. All right, guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to support this channel, please consider subscribing to my Substack, or better yet, joining my Discord. It would mean a lot. But other than that, thank you guys for being here. Peace.